In the clammy midnight green glow of your screen, the charts bleed red. Bitcoin below $105,000, Ethereum tumbling toward $3,500, XRP and Dogecoin in freefall, all triggered by a perfect storm of macro shocks. April 2025's Liberation Day, tariffs that sent global stocks reeling and spilled panic into crypto, sparking synchronized sell-offs and forcing leveraged retail and institutional players to liquidate millions in futures positions. But beneath the chaos, a force awakens. Institutions quietly stacking Bitcoin at discounted levels, funds like SYZ raising hundreds of millions in BTC, Metaplanet amassing 17,595 coins as prices dipped to $115,000, and Strategy Incorporated posting nearly $10 billion in quarterly profits by buying Bitcoin at sub-$71K averages while accumulating a treasury of more than 597,000 BTC. The true blueprint of this crash lies in four currents: Trump-era tariff anxiety, security breaches including the $1.5 billion Bybit heist attributed to North Korea's Lazarus Group, regulatory uncertainty even as Project Crypto, and the Genius Act attempt to reshape U.S. oversight, and institutional treasuries edging into crypto as both risk and reward vectors. Every headline screams panic. Every large sale, Galaxy Digital unloading 80,000 BTC for $9 billion, barely nudged the price, illustrating growing market resilience. That crumbling surface is your invitation. The Puell multiple, miners' revenue ratio, is licking historic discount territory. Cost basis charts show buyers in profit layers around $105,000 to $98,000, suggesting accumulation zones under distress sell pressure. Robert Kiyosaki believes Bitcoin could dip below $90,000 in August and calls it a strategic buy signal. Smart money agrees. He and others treat such drops as entry points to double holdings. This isn't hype. This is history repeating. The 2008 collapse birthed real estate millionaires, the 2020 dip built stock unicorns, and this 2025 crash could cultivate a new generation of crypto pioneers. Institutional ETFs may cause fast money to exit when sentiment sours, but they also bring liquidity and structure. Every outflow is followed by buy-side cycles. And Trump's exec order to build a strategic Bitcoin reserve implies sovereign accumulation, reinforcing Bitcoin's legitimacy and fueling long-term confidence despite volatility. Cinematic scenes flash in your mind. Whales buying beneath the surface, companies announcing Bitcoin treasuries for stock boosts, watchdogs debating the Clarity Act, regulators splitting SEC and CFTC roles to stabilize markets, all while a handful of alerts buzz in your ear. Tariffs fueling panic, security breach shakes investor faith, market still pacing into consolidation. Yet the same data shows rising institutional demand, ETF inflows, and on-chain buying that defy the crash narrative. So what do? Begin with strategy, research over rumors, discipline over impulse, allocations over all-in leaps. Use dollar cost averaging to buy top coins with clear utility, like BTC, ETH, SOL, while maintaining cash buffers for dips. Set limit orders around support zones, $90,000 to $105,000, control leverage risk, and study cost basis data. Watch geopolitics. Israel-Iran flashpoints often coincide with temporary sell-off dips and rebound playbooks, with gains north of 17% within weeks. Balance tech exposure. Be wary of meme coin blow ups like Argentina's dollar Libra scandal that wiped out $250 million in hours. Your story's turning point is now. While the headline screams crash, the undercurrent whispers accumulation, cyclical cycles, historic returns. Blink and the window closes, FOMO returns, mainstream media celebrates, celebrities and influencers re-enter the hype ring. But you can prepare. Dive into charts, follow sanction-proof wallets, leverage custody innovations like MPC cold storage, follow regulatory signals from Project Crypto and Genius Act frameworks. Close your eyes. See panic selling in April's tariff shock fade. Imagine octaves of profit whispers as institutions quietly push Bitcoin past $120,000. Picture a future retold. I bought $100 BTC when fear peaked. That's your chapter. Your script is simple. Endure now, accumulate wisely, build conviction, not weakness. Let competitors panic, let headlines distract them. You, armed with strategy, can transform this crash into your career's defining act. Get ready to step forward while others step back. The future isn't born in cheer, it's forged in chaos. And now, the stage is yours.